Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome to episode 2. So in episode 2, in this episode, I should say, Road to 7 stock, we are getting ready to work on the suspension for this car. So all that's in here right now is a downpipe. And what we're going to start working on is getting the rest of the exhaust mocked up to be welded, so we can get that out the way. Welcome back to the channel. So today on Road to 7 stock, on this episode we take the Weapon RX to go have the exhaust done. I'm excited. I don't even have words right now. With everything going on, with everything I feel like that was working against me, this is a huge step in the right direction to get me closer. We got about 93 days, 94 days to 7 stock. So I'm getting ready to head to the shop to meet my friend Calvin to pick up his truck and trailer, and then we're gonna head back to load up the car, and we're gonna get to it. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Welcome back to the channel. We are getting ready to finish this exhaust for our Road to 7 stock episode. Coming here to talk to Big Mike. Hi, Mike. How you doing, Mike? You about to be on the channel, Mike.
GoPro.
Everyone, that's Mike.
How you
Greatest
doing?
fabricator ever.
That's what I heard.
Kind of, sort of. Look at my downpipe. Oh, this dude is amazing. Oh, look at that. We might have a race car, ladies and gentlemen. We might just have a race car. All right. I don't have words. We don't have words for this badass exhaust that we just built. Well, he just built. I just held things in place, because that's what I do. I hold things in place. Boom! Look at it. Look at it. Look at that. Oh my God. There's a flex. Hey, JMD. Thank you for the first one ever. We're not done. It's mocked up, but we're getting there. Holy, oh boy. We getting somewhere now. We getting somewhere now. 3-piece V-brand setup. Oh snap. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Something's happening. Something's happening right now. I can't tell y'all what, but something's happening. Check this out. Uh-oh. 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 People, we are almost there. Shout out to JMD Tubing for the first ever resonator. We are in there like swimwear, people. Let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I realized in the process of editing this video, I didn't record an outro. So right now I'm working on doing some editing and just want to get this video out. So I wanted to do an outro. There was a lot of things that we did do in the shop that I didn't get a chance to record because we were trying to get everything mocked up on the exhaust. We were trying to get, you know, things in place, and so it was kind of hard for me to, I mean, I could have set up the camera to where we just recorded, but in the process of trying to get everything mocked up and helping out, I didn't get as much content as I wanted, and then I didn't get a chance to do a outro video. So this is kind of like the outro video for this particular, or I would say for this episode. But go ahead, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, smash the like button, and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss another episode. I do have some more content coming for this particular series, Road to 7 Stock. There's a race coming up in November that I want to make it to, so I'm going to try and get more content. So please stay tuned for more. There's a lot more coming. So again, smash that like button, turn on post notifications so that you don't miss another video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.